Hello, my adorable Risley Grizzlies, and welcome back to another number corner. This is a new day, which means we need to start from the very beginning of singing our days of the week, figuring out our date, talk about some shapes, collect some cubes, all the amazing things. So let's get started. Make sure you are singing loud and proud with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, my friends, yesterday was Monday. So if yesterday was Monday, today is, well, there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday. Super smart people. So today is Tuesday. Let's look at our Tuesday card. What number is on our Tuesday card? The number 9, which means it's the 9th day of the month. What month? Say it with me. February. Good. So let's put our whole date together. Today is Tuesday, February 9th, 2021. Good. And we remember February is our second month of the year. It goes January, February. Say that with me. January, February. So if we know February is month number 2, we can update our date card. So we're going to leave that 2 right where it is, but we need to update the day to the 9th. So day number 9. And the year is 21. So everything we write our date on today will be 2-9-21. But if you want to write it in the longer version, remember February abbreviated or shortened is FEB. We're going to change this to the 9th. And the full year is 2021. All right? But let's practice writing it in the shorter version just because it's a little shorter. Gets us done a little bit faster. Fits on our page a little bit better. Let's practice writing it here. Shout it out at me. Today's date is 2-9-21. Awesome. So let's look at today's shapes. I feel like we're a little far away. Let's get a little closer so you can actually see what's happening. All right. Today's shapes. What do they look like? Rectangles, squares, trapezoids. What are we looking at? Oh, I heard everybody yelling it from home. These are rhombuses. Everybody say it with me one more time. Rhombus. Good. Okay, so we know shape A is a rhombus. And look, is shape B also a rhombus? Yep, they are both the same. So we're going to say rhombus for A and rhombus for B. Okay, they're both the same shape. So how many sides do they have? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both rhombuses have 4 sides. Remember, if they have 4 sides, how many vertices do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 vertices every time. Okay, now we need to talk about if they're congruent or not congruent. Remember, congruent is where they're the same, like exactly the same size, same shape, no differences. Well, let's look at those. They don't really, I don't know, it's hard to tell because they're not laying the same way, right? One is kind of like angled this way, this one's angled that way. Oh my gosh, what can we do? This is where we take out our geoboards. So let's look at our first shape. So our first shape looks like this. Our second shape, that's not quite what they were looking like, but are they the same? Well, what if we keep turning? Are they the same? Nope. What if I keep turning? Hold on. Mrs. Sae-Wong, this is so hard. I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, Mrs. Sae-Wong, get it together. This is really hard watching myself do it in the camera. Hold tight. Thank you all for accepting Mrs. Sae-Wong for being a little crazy. So, but what if we keep turning it, and then eventually, if we lay them right on top of each other, are they exactly the same? They are. So if they are the same, what word do we use? Are they congruent or not congruent? They are congruent. Awesome, because they're the same. Even though Mrs. Sae-Wong had a really hard time showing you that. They're the same. All right, friends. Now let's talk about days in school. Yesterday was day number 97. 97 amazing days. I love it. Every time we get another day added to our school days, it just makes me so proud and so happy that we have all been able to work together for so long. But today's a new day. So let's go to our number line and figure out what comes after 97. Okay, remember our number line starts at 80, so we have to count on or count forward from 80. Count loud and proud. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 90, 98. Woo! Today is number 98 in school. Fix my camera. I get to stand tall again. All right, 98 days. So close to 100. Okay, so let's update our chart. Running out of room here, friends. Day number 98. We have a 9 in our 10s and an 8 in our 1s. But if we want to write out the word 98, this is what that looks like. So one more time. 9 in the 10s column, 8 in the 1s, or 98. So we have 9 10s and 8 1s. What does that mean? Okay, 9 10s means we have 9 groups of 10 days. Let's count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 9 10s means we have 90 days. And then 8 individual days all by themselves means we just have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's kind of hard when I'm holding my pen. Hot mess today, Mrs. Sae-Wong is. All right, help me write our equation. We have to add our 10s and our 1s back together. So let's take our 10s. Let's take that 90 plus our 1. So plus 8 equals 98. We're going to color in day number 98 here. I forgot to color in day number 98 on my paper, so I'm going to do it right now while we're talking, and that's how we roll. So I have 98 days, but will you help me count just to make sure I didn't goof up? Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now we need to count on by 1s. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. 98 amazing days. Make sure your chart at home has 98 days also. Okay, last thing we're talking about today is our collection of Unifix cubes, or of our counting blocks. Remember, we're collecting them every day so that we can talk about, I put that in the wrong day yesterday, talk about comparing our numbers, which number was bigger, which number was smaller. But we have to finish collecting them first before we can have those conversations. All right, our spinner has us picking out 3 green blocks today. So let me get our green blocks out. They're buried, they're hiding, they don't want to be counted today. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Here are our 3 green blocks. We're going to add those 3 to our collection sheet. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's day number 2 of week 2 with our collection. I can't wait until we get to talk about more and more numbers next week and comparing them. Comparing numbers is kind of a big deal. It's kind of something that we have to be really good at. So we're going to keep talking about it and practicing it. And I promise it's going to be fun and it's going to make sense when we get there. But that's it, my friends. Nice, easy, quick number corner today. As always, thank you for singing with me, practicing all the things with me, and thank you for helping me count all the way to 98 because that's a big number. All right, friends, I'll see you later. Bye.